Multi-slide doors are available with a continuous full-width dark bronze anodized weep sill. We do incorporate a stainless steel roller cap to provide easy operation. Multi-slide door sills are thermally broken, which helps reduce thermal and sound transfer. Each track is fully weather stripped to create a tight seal and to prevent debris from entering the sill. Multi-slide sills do incorporate weep holes in the front face to help shed away water. The sill itself is also designed to be installed into a sill pan that you see here to help prevent moisture damage. Multi-slide door sills are designed to be installed directly on top of the floor as they are a flush sill. For an even smaller profile, the sill can be set lower to the floor, creating a more seamless transition and greater accessibility, as you can see here on this edge. If design pressure ratings are necessary, sill risers can be added to the interior of the sill. They would be stacked on top of here to create better ratings.